Join me for this 10-minute home walking workout that's going to help you reduce your stress, burn calories, and boost your energy in just under 10 minutes. If you have one of these fun resistance bands, you might grab it now. That's going to help us with our upper body strength. And of course, if you've not done so already, I'd love for you to download your general stride guide. This is a beginner's guide to home walking that I created just for you as you start your home walking journey. We're going to start right here, right now. Go ahead and start by walking in place. We have 4 basic moves. This is the first one. So start to get your heart rate up a little bit, boost your energy. I can't help but smile right away. I just love creating these videos. And if we've not met yet, my name is Emily. Great to have you here. I am a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, and a wellness professional that focuses on women's health. And I'm here to be your guide as we stroll here. And maybe you see Charlie here having a little nap time. He's my trusty sidekick. He comes to almost all of my walking workouts. Get the heart rate bumped up. Maybe your breath rate is coming up. Please take a moment to check in. How are you feeling today? Feeling tightness? Maybe you soften your shoulders. Maybe you feel length through your spine, so finding a little lift in your heart center. Move your body in a joyful way today and every single day. I really highly encourage you to find a workout that works for you, right? That you enjoy, that you get you out of bed in the morning and you say, I want to do this workout and I know I'm going to feel better afterwards. Nice job. Walk in place. Like to keep things simple here. Don't need a lot of equipment. Maybe you slip your sneakers on. Maybe you have something for hydration. Nice job. I'm going to show you the next move. It's a knee lift. So we're going to lift a knee, lift a knee. Please engage your core. So belly button softly draws in towards the spine and keep the spine long here, upright. Oh yeah. I'm already feeling that right away. This is a nice little crunch here. A standing crunch. Whew. If you're ready, maybe tap opposite hand to opposite knee. If your balance is a little bit off today, you might be standing close to a chair or the wall. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to your walk in place. You always come back here. If you ever get hung up on a move, just return right here. Home base. Check in with that breath. I encourage you to take the talk test throughout this workout. Maybe say a 5 to 6 word sentence. And if you feel a little too winded, you might want to back out a little bit. Right? Make this workout work for you. Sweet. Next move is a kick and a kick. So alternating kicks. Maybe again, you find that little rotation for your torso, reaching opposite fingers towards opposite toes. Find your breath. For 3, 2, 1. Return right here. Walk in place. I started home walking with my mom many moons ago, I'll say about 20 years ago when I was in high school. It was a fun way for us to stay active together during the winter whenever it was too cold to really spend a lot of time outside. And both of us just fell in love with it, and we walked together quite a bit through this channel. And then also just, she's my neighbor. I get to walk with her outside as well. So it's great to walk with a walking partner. And today you're my walking partner, right? You and Charlie. And I would love to know who you're walking with today. Do you have a furry friend? Are you walking with, a family member in your living room? Let me know in the comments below. Love to hear from you. All right, next move. It's a side step. So use the space you got. We're just gonna step out and back in. Maybe you're ready to sink the hips down here. So when you sink the hips low, we're activating the backside muscles. I call them the muscles of independence. Keeping these strong help us to move throughout our day with a little bit more ease and confidence. I think it's very important that we're able to move from floor to standing easily and strengthening your backside muscles, your hips, thighs, back end. We're going to be able to do that a little bit easier. Nice job. Go at your pace, right? I revved up on coffee today, so I'm wanting to go a little faster, but you can always slow this down. For 3, 2, 1, return to walk in place right here, right now. Nice job. Checking on our time there. We're about halfway through. You got this. 10-minute walk equates to about half a mile, which is amazing. Amazing. Yours might be different than mine, of course, but that's where we usually are. Let's get the upper body involved. Go ahead and give me some arm swings. Big open chest. Opposite arm over top every once in a while. Nice job. Give yourself a little love here when you give yourself a hug. For 3, 2, 1. Shake those arms out, let it go. I'm gonna find my resistance band. You might find yours. If you don't have one, that's okay. Still do these workouts or do this workout with me, just without the band. What's kind of cool about these bands is you can adjust the intensity. So the closer your hands are, the more intense it's gonna be. The farther away, it's gonna be a little less resistance. So see what works for you and always make adjustments. Blow out that air. Keep walking here. I'm going to encourage you to take your arms about shoulder height, maybe a little bit wider. Just depends on where you want to be here. And then arms are straight out in front. Give me a stretch here. So we're going to open the arms and then bring them back together. And then make adjustments. You want it a little bit closer, a little bit farther away. Nice job. Keep going. You don't have to go really fast here. You can take your time. Notice if you have a tendency to hold your breath, go ahead and just try to breathe naturally as we move here. Give me 5 more. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Nice job. Release that down. Maybe shake out the elbows a little bit. Keep that resistance band in your hand. And then take your feet nice and wide. Backside muscles engaged already. Give me a knee lift. So we're gonna lift a knee, lift a knee. Nice. Maybe give me a little torso rotation, tapping opposite hand to opposite knee as it comes up. Great job. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Come back to home base here. Blow out that air, check in with your breath. You need to slow down, feel free to do so. Or you can always pick up the pace. I highly encourage it if you feel comfortable with that. Nice job. This time we're gonna take the band, bring it around your back. So we're gonna bring it overhead here. Arms are extended. And then from here, stretch down, so it's coming down your back and up. Now notice, before you go any farther, do you need to make it longer or a little bit shorter? Challenge yourself today and keep moving. If it's too much to walk and use the band at the same time, you can always stay stationary. Oh yeah. Give me about 5 more. For 4, 3, 2, last one. Hold. You got this. Nice job. Release that band. Whew. Shake out the arms. Great job. We'll set that aside for now. Nice. And then give me a forward and back walk. So I'm going to go towards the back of the room and then I'm going to step forward. Give you a big high five. Proud of you. Keep going. We're coming up on the end of this workout, but don't stop that motivation, right? We're gonna finish this, finish strong here. Keep breathing. For 3, 2, last time up, last time back, walk in place right here. Nice job. Take a side step with me. Here we go. Step it out. Step it out, sink low. Proud of you. Make it happen today. I do encourage you to move your body joyfully every single day, in a happy, healthy way. That helps with our immune system. It helps strengthen our entire body, helps strengthen our brain. Lots of very exciting studies are showing that by moving like this aerobic activity helps reduce the risk of certain brain diseases. That includes Alzheimer's and dementia. So amazing job for you for being here, committing to this workout and staying till the end. For 3, 2, 1, walk in place. Where are we on time? Nice. We're coming up on our final 30 seconds here. I don't know if you can hear, but I have a cold, so got a little frog in my throat, but that's okay. Still working on my immune system, right? Work it out. I like to sweat it out a little bit, and I'm definitely getting sweaty right now. Pull out that air. Here we are for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. We did it. That was 10 minutes in this walking workout. Let's go ahead and slow things down a little bit. We never skip this cool down. So take your time here, feel grounded, and then just give me a little toe tap out to the side. Ooh, yeah. If you want to evolve this, give me a little cross-body punch. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Shake it out. Grab that stretchy band again. Try this. If you don't like it, you can totally skip it. We're going to place the band on the floor and step on the band with your right foot. Then we're going to step that left foot behind. Please note my right knee is bent and then my back knee is also bent so I can find that upright spine. And then the resistance band is in both hands. Start to bring the band up and lower down. Please keep the elbows hugged towards midline. This is a full body workout right here. This exercise is working your lower body, your core, your upper body, and your brain. Give me about 5 more for 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Hold. Nice job. Slowly release that band down. Shake things out a little bit, and then we'll take it to the other side. So let's step the left foot on top of the band this time. We're going to step that right foot behind. Left knee is bent, right knee is bent. Nice job. And then from here, pull up, lower down. Start to slow the breath down a little bit. I'm just going to turn this way. Nice job, guys. Super proud of you. You made the commitment, just 10 minutes. You hopefully feel a lot better, feel stronger in your body, more confident, right? It's very important to enjoy what you do. So I hope you enjoyed this workout. Be sure to visit my website. It's emilydaugherty.com, and over there you can grab your general stride guide and also connect with me on a deeper level. Give me 3 more. 3, 2, last one. Hold. Woo! Release that hand down. Go ahead and set that stretchy band to the side. We'll finish up with an angel breath. Ground your feet. Inhale, your arms reach tall to the sky. And exhale, send the hands down by the sides. If it feels okay, you might bring the hands to prayer position. Take an opportunity to give thanks for this moment. Thanks for this breath and this beautiful, amazing body that you have. And I appreciate you all so, so much. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Maybe leave me a comment. That's going to help other people find me so that I can connect worldwide. so I can help as many people as possible, because that's really my ultimate goal. I'll see you again very soon. New workouts come out each week. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.